Here's the painful truth. 79% of borrowers go with the first loan officer they talk to. What that means to you is the next borrower who calls in, maybe you're already on the phone, sitting into closing, or are having dinner. If they reach voicemail, there's a good chance they're going to call somebody else. So on our next branch walkthrough, Owen Lee and I are going to show you an AI-powered pre-qual hotline that not only does this thing set up leads for you, when they call in, it answers the phone, talks to them, pre-qualifies them, connects them up to your schedule, even when you can't pick up the phone. So join us on a Zoom meeting where we're going to show you no less than 5 other AI hacks that we provide our loan officers, and we pay for it all for you on your behalf. So just go to carlsofficetour.com, carlsofficetour.com. Starting to rain. I'll see you on the inside.